Okay guys, so before I go any further in this video, I first have to give a huge shout out to Klaiyi Hair. They're the one sponsoring this video, and this scarf, this silk head scarf, is actually from them, which I am shook about. I did not expect them to give me a scarf. I was like, let me just go ahead and wear it for like the second video or whatever. Let me look cute or whatever. Let me film my own or whatever. So this is their 12-inch bob wig. This is their Brazilian hair. And I love how this comes cut. I mean, it is so perfectly cut, it's beyond me. So this hair comes pre-styled, which means it's already plucked for you. The center part, it's a center part wig. If you want it to be, you can turn it and make it asymmetrical, but it came pre-plucked, pre-parted. It came pre-parted, and a little bit of plucking around the ends. Around the hairline, sorry. I don't typically pluck my wigs like this that I'm going to intentionally wear as a center part. If I'm going to wear it as a center part, I do not fiddle with the hairline to make it look natural. I don't color the lace, none of that. So I just wear it as is. So this wig, in my opinion, is another wig that you can just throw on and go. The only thing I did was remove the lace from it, and then I just went ahead and flat ironed it using my Vanity Planet curling wand, and that is it. Everything else, honey, I just like put it on, I'm good to go. Oh no, yeah, there was a step. So my head is on like the smaller side, so because of that, I have to adjust the straps inside, and also I have to use got2b. Now if your head is not as small as mine, you can adjust the strap just for a snug look, but I don't think you need to got2b. So just got2b because my head is small and I need it to be as close fitting to my head as possible. But I know we live in an era where realistic wigs is just what we're doing now. We can't fish out here. That's just what we're doing. Okay, so if you want to do that, you can go ahead, do the glue, do the spray, do the tape, whatever it is that you fancy. But for me personally, I just put this on, got2b, adjust the straps, cut the lace, and I'm good to go. They also gave me a headscarf, so because I have a headscarf, I can wear the headscarf when my hair not look too right. This is the flat iron hair, and everything will be nice and dandy and fun for me. It's a lot, meaning it is really good here, and I'm smiling. I'm looking in the viewfinder and I'm smiling as I don't know. It just looked good. It looked clean. It looked neat. I love the cut. I love the cut. I love it. I love it. I love it. It bustle. What else do I have to tell you? Okay, so shedding. No shedding whatsoever. The only shedding I got was when I accidentally cut, and that's not even shedding. I cut the lace and then cut some of the hairs from it, so hairs like drop. So no, I'm going to say little to no shedding, and I'm leaning mostly on the no shedding because it's no shedding for me. It's really soft, manageable. If you want to dye this hair, color this hair, it can do that. It's virgin hair, so the only process it went through is probably some steaming in order to get it this bone straight, but it did not go through an aggressive chemical process. That's the reason they call it virgin hair. But if it was raw hair, it would have been just from the donor's head, cleanse, and then sold it to you. But virgin hair goes through a little in between process in order to get the curls, to get the waves, to get the straight hair or whatever, and it's usually done by steaming or a non-chemical, I don't know if it's non-invasive, but it's definitely a non-chemical route that they take in order to get the pattern, the curl pattern that you're going to be purchasing. I have been working with Klaiyi Hair for years, and I appreciate them for even sending me this to review. They really trust my opinion, and for that I thank Klaiyi. But without further ado, let's get into the other reason you clicked into this video, because I know you saw my thumbnail like, ooh girl, you looking cute. I hope we talk about our hair, and I did, honey. I spoke about the hair. Alright, so I went ahead and turned the fan on. So this is my Neverfull MM, and it is from Fashion File. It's a Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM, and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. No, when I say what's in my gym bag, I use the term quite loosely. This is not my gym bag, but because of the organizer that I have in there, the Samorga organizer, it just makes everything fit into, oh my god. And because I have my gym stuff in there, I'm a little bit OCD, so I don't use this as my mommy bag anymore, which I used to use it for, because I don't want Jaleel stuff to go in there. I could wash the Samorga and then reuse and then use it for what I intended it for, but then also with along with it being a mommy bag, I want it to be like a bag. So I actually use Jaleel's baby bag now as his regular bag. So instead of carrying this bag with my stuff and Jaleel's stuff in there, I just pack Jaleel's baby bag and I'm good to go. So now this is just my bag. So I did go ahead and clasp it at the top because this bag is full to the brim. So just thrown on top of it. Alright, so I have my TEAMI tumbler and I'm carrying it with me today. It's empty now because I'm actually going to be filling it with my TEAMI skinny. So it's empty. I'm going to fill it with my TEAMI skinny. So I walk with this tumbler so I can take cute selfies for the gram. So that's that. I have Jonathan's hat in here because there's like 3 or so them over here and I'm have none at all. So we take up back this so we can carry it home. Then I do have my vlogging camera. This is the Sony A5100. It overheats, it shuts down on its own, and it cannot record up to 12 minutes. I knew all of this before I bought it, but because of the smoothing aspect of it, I still bought it, and I slightly regret it. Okay, by the way, my nails are done by Cassie Nailed It on Instagram, honey. Ooh, okay. So attached to the bag is my hand sanitizer. I had it on the outside, but I didn't like how it looked, so I put it on the inside, on the D-ring on the inside. And off to the corner here, I do have my deodorant. I don't use deodorant like when I'm at the gym, but I put it in here because I was coming over here to film, and you know my bit over here, so I'm gonna just put it in our bag so we can put it on. So that, and I have an extension cord in here. This extension cord was actually in Jaleel's baby bag. Do not ask me why I have an extension cord. I just feel like something gonna happen. I'm gonna need to have an extension cord. Someone gonna say, yeah, anybody have an extension cord? I'm gonna say, yeah, me have an extension cord. So I have an extension cord. Okay, then I have my gym towel, my Express Fitness gym towel right there. It's short. It was actually long, and then grandma cut it for me and stitch it up, so now I have two. And yeah, so my gym towel. Then I have my Gymshark like running belt, and I can put like your keys, your phone. It stretches, so it's like really good. So yeah, so I had this in here because what am I gonna put in there? I'm gonna put in my watch in there, my FT4 watch, you know, the polar watch that make can track your heart rate and stuff. I'm gonna put this in there, but I never bother wear the polar watch, so I'm gonna know why this in here. So it's just in here. And for the some more, they have like slots. Oh, let me just continue. So this is my Michael Kors pouch. I got it this came with another Michael Kors bag. I gave that to a friend and I kept the pouch. And this for me is like a catch-all, somewhat, not somewhat, it is a catch-all. So like my headphones, earrings, lip gloss, pen, anything at all that I don't want floating around in my bag is definitely in my catch-all in the Michael Kors pouch. Then I have my wallet. It is the Internet wallet. I've always wanted this wallet. I've wanted this wallet for absolutely years, and I bought this as well off of Fashion File, and I got it in blue because I have two boys. That's really the reason. Internet wallet, absolutely gorgeous, big. I love a big wallet, and this does it for me. Keeps everything in there. My monies are organized, the coins here, my cards, everything is organized. I love this so much. I love that wallet. Then I have the car key attached to like my little gym something. Then I have like this best friend thing that Brianna gave me, and I bought this in Ochi, and I got this from my like Lash person. And then car keys. I'm gonna put that close so I'm not at glass. Then I have peanuts in here to break my fast with, because I do intermittent fasting and I'm lifting weights now, so more peanuts. So I'm gonna get peanuts. And this is Jaleel's little shaker thing. So now let's on to the inside, nice and neat. I love this organizer. So this is my resistance band, and my resistance bands are from X-Bands. I think I am an affiliate. If I still am an affiliate, I'll leave my code below. If I'm not an affiliate anymore, I'll just leave another code below for you guys. But this is it. I have it in the gray. I have it in the pink. And let me move this over. No. Okay, good. And then I have it in the turquoise. I have 3 of them. This one is less resistant. This one is less resistant. The pink one is the tightest one. So I have these 3 in here, and then I have again these ankle attachments for when you're doing like abductors and stuff, and like anything booty and foot dragging, whatever, on the, you know, that machine that I can do various workouts with. I don't know what that machine is called, but I use this, and again it's from the X band as well. Put it around your ankle, you latch it round, then you hook it to the machine, and then you pull with your feet to do whatever exercise that you want to do. And I have 2. Yeah, I have 2 of them. Then I have my oh my gosh, my workout gloves, and these ones are from Everlast, and I bought this when I went to Florida. I think it was last year before last. I bought this when I went to Florida, so I still have these Everlast ones. I'm going to look to see if X-Bands have any, and then just get some X-Bands ones. But I have this. Oh gosh, my camera is flashing, so a little bit leave. I recently picked up my package from Personal JA, and it had my Kylie Cosmetics lip stuff in here that I ordered. So these are the glasses. This one is in Jolly, literally, and then Cupcake. And then this one is from Yadi Cosmetics. It's a black lip gloss, absolutely gorgeous, amazing, and this is in the color Pimento. And this is another set of gloss that I got from a company called Dynasty Co on Instagram. So they sent me this, the owner gave me this package, and I still have it in my bag. And then last but not least, I have my pen, RSVP pen. If you know me, I love RSVP pens. Oh gosh, no lies. And I have a headache tablet because it can come at any time. So this is it, and I'm sure I have stuff on the side of the bag. Yeah, oh, Jonathan watch. So I have like random stuff in here, but my camera is flashing, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love filming what's in my bags. And hey, I'll talk to the next one. My camera is flashing. I don't want to sit down in mid talking, but I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Again, Klaiyi Hair, 12-inch bob wig. Check it out, Brazilian.